Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design, Minnesota. And I just wanted to make a short video today and tell you what I'm looking for. Are you a permaculture designer or food forest designer and you have your PDC or you're working on your PDC and you'd love to design food forests, homesteads, commercial properties, pretty much anything. If you love to design, I want to talk to you. I'd love to have you join my network. I am building a nationwide food forest design network, and I would love to have you join my network. And I'm looking for designers all over the United States, so I can have designers in every grow zone in the US. So when somebody comes to my website or my network website and they need a design for their home or their business, or they want a hobby farm, they want a permaculture farm, they want a homestead designed, that I will be able to contact you and offer that design to you. So I'm looking to help you in your design career. So basically, I will handle all of the marketing, and all you have to do is basically be a designer and do what you love. If you're interested, contact me at my website at Food Forest Design Minnesota, and I will have a link in the navigation under Get Involved, and click on that link and I will have a short questionnaire for you to fill out to give me information about you, your experience, what type of properties you like to design, pretty much like, the normal stuff. But that way I can add you to my network of permaculture designers. And when I launch this network in the next week or two, I will be able to offer you some design work very soon. So get in contact with me and let's grow food forests and abundance together. So I don't know, have an amazing day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Grow food, not lawns. See you.